winter melon coconut yogurt casserole, or cumin winter melon coconut yogurt bowl, or Jerra Petha Kaddu Nariyal Raita, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the Raita recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the winter melon recipes, and one of the most unique of the vegetable casserole recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the casserole recipes. I'm going to make cumin winter melon coconut yogurt casserole. We have taken around 200 grams of winter melon, peeled and cut into pieces. 3 to 4 shallots, 15 grams of garlic, 2 spoons of cumin seeds, and around 100 to 150 grams of grated coconut. The shallots, the garlic, and the grated coconut and the cumin seeds. Into the grinder. Pour around 100 ml of yogurt. Cloves and grind well. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Turmeric. Saute. Garlic mix. Put in quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Put in a spoon of chili powder. winter melon pieces. Put in salt paste, soften it, thoroughly soften it. And cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Pour in the cumin coconut yogurt mixture and mix thoroughly, and let this mixture cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Now put in some curry leaves, mix, and let the mixture cook for a minute. Cumin winter melon coconut yogurt casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. And cumin winter melon coconut yogurt casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes, and one of the most unique of the vegetable casserole recipes, and one of the most delicious of the cumin recipes, and one of the most easiest to make the yogurt casserole recipes, and one of the most easiest to make the winter melon recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe.